Nona Igbo 360. My name is Edith Ngobu. Welcome. Ka anyị mụọ Igbo. In our last class, we talked about the Igbo word Aba. I told you that we are going to look at two meanings of this word. The first one we have done, Aba is a town in Abia State, Eastern Nigeria. Today we are going to learn about this word in another sense. The word Aba also means a lying position, lying on your back. When you lie on your back, it means you are lying Aba. So the verb to lie down is idina. Now let's look at the sentence examples. So we have Achom idina Aba. Achom idina Aba. I want to lie on my back. Lie is idina. Aba means on your back. Achom idina Aba. Ike na edina Aba. Ike is someone's name. Ike na edina Aba. Ike lies on his back. Ike na edina Aba. Biko dina Aba. Please lie on your back. Biko dina Aba. O dina Aba. O dina Aba. She is lying on her back, or he is lying on his back. O dina Aba. Kam dina Aba. Let me lie on my back. So kam means let me. Dina Aba, lie on my back. Kam dina Aba. Iga edina Aba. You will lie on your back. Iga edina Aba. You will lie on your back. So join me as we read through the Igbo column. So the Igbo sentences, that's what we are going to read now. Oh yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Number 1. Achom idina Aba. Good job. Ike na edina Aba. Again. Good job. Biko dina Aba. O dina Aba. Kam dina Aba. Iga edina Aba. Good job. Excellent. Clap for yourself. These are questions and responses. Number 1. Icho idina Aba. Do you want to lie on your back? Achom. Yes, I want. Icho idina Aba. I want you to also pay attention to the tones again. Icho idina Aba. Achom. Ona edina Aba. Oge niile. Yes, every time. Ona edina Aba. Does he or she lie on his or her back? Does she or he lie on her back or his back? Ona edina Aba. Oge niile. Ha ga-edina Aba. Ha kwesịrị. Ha ga-edina Aba. Will they lie on their backs? Ha kwesịrị. Yes, they are supposed to. Ha ga-edina Aba. Ha kwesịrị. Let's go through sentence 1 to 3. 1, 2, go. Icho idina Aba. Achom. Ọ na-edina Aba? Ee, oge niile. Ha ga-edina Aba? Ee, ha kwesịrị. We are the best Igbo language school for you and your kids. Join us, register for the upcoming cohorts that will start in March for adults this year, 2026. Rush now and register. For the kids, elementary Igbo, it is every Saturday. You get to choose your time. Remember, the time is not the same for everybody. You choose your time depending on your need and your schedule. So, we are waiting for you. Go right now and register. You can find all the information you need on our website, or you contact us via email igbo360educationalservices@gmail.com, and we will respond to all your questions. Kemesia.